Welcome to MyTrendyPhone repair videos. Today we show you a step-by-step process of replacing the broken screen on the Huawei P10 lite. You can attempt the repair yourself, but we strongly advise you to send your phone to the repair shop. MyTrendyPhone cannot be held liable for any potential damage you cause during the DIY repair. Let's see the tools needed for this repair: a Phillips screwdriver, tweezers, spudgers and other opening tools, a heating machine or a heat gun, some glue and some clamps. Of course, you will need a new display. You can find all parts and tools at our website, so check the links in the description. Before you start, always turn the device off and then remove the SIM and SD card tray. Start the repair by softening the glue with a heat gun or heating platform that we have in our repair shop. Use a spudger and pry tools to separate the back cover from the frame. Cut through the glue with guitar picks. Go slow and gentle so you won't break the back cover or damage any connections and cables. You will have to remove the metal plate that shields the battery connector in order to unplug the battery. The next step is to undo all the top screws and remove the camera and fingerprint scanner connector shields. Then unplug the fingerprint scanner flex cable and set the back cover aside. Proceed with unplugging the display. First, you have to take off the connector shield the same way as before. Using the spudger, remove the battery. Do it patiently and be careful not to puncture it. There is a certain risk of fire and explosion. Because of the glue under the battery, use the heat to soften it, but do not overheat it. Warm up the frame again to soften the glue that is holding the display. And now you can remove the broken display with spudgers and picks. And take your time, there might be a lot of broken glass. When the LCD comes off, you should clean the frame and remove the old glue residue. Now you can apply fresh glue to the top, bottom and around the edges of the frame. Then put the new display on top of it and connect it with the motherboard. After doing that, put the battery back. If you haven't done it already, now is a good time to remove the old glue residue from the back cover as well. Afterwards, reconnect the fingerprint scanner flex cable and put the shield on top. Also, screw back the display connector shield and then plug in the battery and put the shield on top. It's time to put the glue on the back of the frame. Be precise and don't use too much glue. Now set the back cover on top and use clamps to put pressure on the back cover and the LCD as well. Use as many as possible and leave them on for up to 48 hours. And voila! The repair is done. Now we have a working LCD. Remember, you can order parts, tools and repairs in MyTrendyPhone. Thanks for watching.